Hey guys, welcome to Router, and today this is the second video of our series City of Wallenhub CTF series. So आज हम लोग कुछ एक नया CTF ट्राई करेंगे which is rather new and latest, which is called Typo 1. ठीक है. So this is the download page of Typo 1. I'll give you the link in the description and you can download from these three different links are there provided for downloading. As you can see, I have already running Typo 1 in my second desktop and the IP address is already given, so we don't have to do a net discover. But what you need to do, you have to add this IP address to your hosts, otherwise it won't work. So वो कैसे करें दिखाते हैं. So first अब क्या करिए, यहाँ पे फोल्डर क्रिएट कर लीजिए because that is really necessary. Typo 1 करके create a folder here and we will do everything from this folder. Okay, so पहले host create करने के लिए open terminal here because host create करना क्यों की ज़रूरत क्योंकि है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे already लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि that okay, note set domain name typo local. Okay, so we have to set the domain name typo local. So how we can do that? So we have to go to as I'm using nano, you can use anything else like Veeam or whatever you want. So the host file is in HC hosts. Okay, so this is the host. You can see you just have to write the IP address of the machine and then you have to type typo.local or whatever you want. But the way that machine is configured, क्योंकि वो typo machine ऐसे configured है क्योंकि it will try to redirect it to typo.local. So आपको typo.local सेव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है इसीलिए. ठीक है, so एक बार हो जाए कंप्लीट लिखना यहाँ पे, फिर आप क्या करिए Ctrl+X दबाइए. तो मेरा है वहाँ पे तो इसीलिए कुछ नहीं हुआ. अगर नहीं होता, जैसे कि ये मान लीजिए, पहले मैं typo.local यहाँ से हटा देता हूँ, फिर लिखता हूँ फॉर द डेमोस्ट्रेशन typo.local. तो जैसे ही आप Ctrl+X दबाइएगा तो you will see save modified buffer. ये Y for yes, N for no. So you press Y and then file name to write, hosts, enter. So that's it. It's easy. Anyway, now we will do nmap, but I don't do nmap. I do zenmap, which is pretty awesome. So 192.104, and you all know my scripts T5 and everything as it is, plus I just add HB for service and P for port scanning. So as you can see, a lot of port open because I have completed this box a while ago, so I know which ports are working and which are not. So I can tell you that port 8081 is interesting and port 80 is interesting. Okay, so and as you can see that retrying was the typo.local. So इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा था कि typo.local आप सेव कीजिए वहाँ पे नाम name. Anyway, we'll go to an nmap completed. So you can see that port 22 is opening SSH, 80 is or typo.local, and then 81 8.01 something running in that. Anyway, we'll go to 80 port first. One of 4. So page not found, no problem. So अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अब हम लोग यहाँ पे एक derp सर्च करेंगे. typo 192.168.0.104 और उसको हम कहेंगे as typo1.txt. सो इसका मतलब क्या है, हम लोग अब एन्यूमरेशन कर रहे हैं कि ये जो हमने खोला अभी, इसके अंदर और क्या क्या डायरेक्टरी है, ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत सारा हिडन डायरेक्टरी होता है जो ज़रूरी होता है ढूंढना, अदरवाइज नहीं मिलता है। और आउटपुट डॉट टाइपो डॉट टेक्स्ट मतलब कि जो भी रिजल्ट निकलेगा वो यहाँ पे टाइपो डॉट टेक्स्ट के अंदर हो जाएगा। Meanwhile, we can do another search on 8081 port because I have done. So 8081 port is interesting port. Let's see. So dot http 104. तो जब भी आप लोग सिर्फ 80 पोर्ट को छोड़ के which is the डिफॉल्ट पोर्ट फॉर HTTP, जब भी आप 80 पोर्ट छोड़ के दूसरा कोई पोर्ट आप कोई भी ब्राउज करने के लिए, उसको एन्यूमरेशन करने के लिए, ब्रूट फोर्स करने के लिए, वट एवर यू वांट आप करना चाहते हो, और वो पोर्ट 80 ना हो तो वो पोर्ट आपको डिफाइन करना पड़ता है ऐसे। लेकिन देखिए यहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ पोर्ट डिफाइन नहीं किए, क्योंकि ये बाय डिफॉल्ट हम लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं 80 पोर्ट। तो जब हम लोग बाय डिफॉल्ट 80 पोर्ट सर्च करते हैं तो हमको लिखने का जरूरत नहीं होता, क्योंकि 80 पोर्ट बाय डिफॉल्ट HTTP पोर्ट होता है। अदर देन दैट एनीथिंग you have to search, you have to mention there, sorry, you have to mention there. So let's see, and we got something interesting, phpMyAdmin. Let's go there. We don't need anything else. So phpMyAdmin, it's available. Copy link address and we go to there. Okay, I'm just closing the tab. Okay, so we will try default admin. Will it work? No, it didn't work. Anyway, so we'll try again. Root. I think it worked. Okay, it worked. So as you can see, the password was root and root. Okay, let's see how it is going. There we go, we found a directory, typo. Okay, so I think I can stop this now, and we can go here and we find a beautiful directory called typo. Let's see what it is. Copy. Okay, paste and go. So it's a CMS. Let's see. Admin login. I don't think it's gonna work. Anyway, let's see. Didn't work. Root. एंड यहाँ पे एक typo.3 करके एक इसको क्या बोले, डेटाबेस अवेलेबल है. लेट्स सी और डिडंट वर्क ऑन हियर, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो इसके अंदर क्या है देखते हैं. बैकएंड लेआउट, डैशबोर्ड्स, ग्रुप, सेशन, यूजर्स. Okay, there are two users, FE users and BE users. So I think BE users means backend users and FE users mean front-end users. So backend users is interesting. Let's see what is in there. And voila, we found the password. Okay, so just because मैंने पहले किया हुआ है तो मुझे पता है कि ये password is uncrackable. This password is uncrackable. But what we can do is we can delete this password hash. It's a hash actually. We can delete this password hash and enter our own password hash. So for that we have to create a password hash with our password. Okay, so by looking at this I know it's an Argon 2ID hash. Okay, so let's go over Google and search for Argon hash generator. I have already searched it. So Argon hash generator, no problem, and it's Argon 2i because it's already, we can see it's Argon 2i here. Okay, so we're gonna make our password very simple. We call it Stark because Stark is Stark. And salt is something that it's a factor which makes a password more authentic and more tough. So you can write whatever you want there. Okay, you can write whatever you want there. Okay, so and generate hash. So we got our password. Okay, so we're gonna copy it and we're going to edit this thing. So this is the password there. We're gonna delete it. We're gonna put our new password here. Okay, so EKTXLQ, let's see, EKT, okay, it's okay. And now all the way down we're going to save this and we're going to go back to previous page. Okay, so go, and as you can see that it has one row affected. Update the user set password, new password is that. Okay, so when we go to Typo CMS, and you can see the username is admin, and the password we just entered, Stark. So let's see if it's gonna work or not. What the fuck just happened? No problem. Admin and STARK. Let's see. Self. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, and we are inside the CMS, and once we are inside the CMS, it's very easy to upload a a PHP reverse shell and get back connection. Okay, so we're gonna go to file. I'm gonna upload our own reverse shell in file admin. No problem there. So we're gonna create. For that we just need to copy a reverse shell which is already available in Kali, as you all know. It's in user, then share, then web shells, and inside PHP we got PHP reverse shell. Oh, sorry. Paste PHP reverse shell. Okay, we just have to paste it there. Anyway, so upload a file, and we're going to Typo 1. So PHP open. Oh, file name reverse shell PHP is not allowed. So something is blocking us from uploading reverse PHP files. Okay, no problem. So we need to go to settings and look for things like whatever is okay. Configure installation wide options. Configure options, and you can search here for file. And as you can see, file deny pattern. That means that backend user file deny pattern. That means that whatever is written here, it cannot be uploaded. So PHP cannot be uploaded. PHP sh cannot upload it. PHTML cannot be uploaded. So all of things cannot be uploaded. So we're gonna do what? We're gonna just erase this whole thing here. No problem there, and we are going to write configuration. That means new value none, so we can upload anything we want. Easy. Okay, so the file list again, file admin. I'm going to upload a shell again, reverse shell, open. As you can see, it has been uploaded. So now for this, oh, I'm so sorry about this. I again forgot to write my own IP address there. No problem. I'm just gonna delete it. Every time it happens with me. Every time. Don't forget, guys, you have to write your own IP address for a back connection. So 192.168.0.10. And you can change the port whatever you want, but I'm using 1234 because okay. Let's do it again. So upload, reverse shell, open, and it has been uploaded. one second, I'm having. Okay, so our reversal has been uploaded here, and now we have to access this reversal for getting, in order to get a back connection. And here for listening, we're gonna set a netcat right here. So nc lvp 1234. Again I'm gonna explain what this is. So this is a netcat listener. इसका काम होता है जो रिवर्स कनेक्शन ये यहाँ पर बना रहा है कि हमको सेंड बैक कर रहा है, इसका काम होता है उसे सुनना. So इसको बोलते हैं netcat. And -l for listen, v for verbose which will show us everything, and p for port which is 1 2 3 port. एंड आपको अगर याद होगा तो हम यहाँ पे वो पोर्ट 1 2 3 4 ही रखे थे. अगर आप यहाँ पे पोर्ट चेंज करके कुछ भी और करते हैं, लाइक 80 80 और 4444 व्हाटएवर यू वांट, आपको वो यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. ठीक है. सो इट्स लिसनिंग, एंड ऑल वी हैव टू डू इज क्लिक ऑन दिस थिंग. Sorry, all we have to do is click on this thing. Okay, sorry, it's taking somewhere else. So हमको क्या करना है, हमको फाइल एडमिन में जाके ये php reversal.php यहाँ पे लिखना है. नो प्रॉब्लम. सो 106 104 फाइल admin, so I think it's file admin. Okay, and we have to write this thing, copy and paste it here. As you see, we got a connection here. This is the reverse connection we are talking about. Anyway, in order to get a real shell, this is a pseudo shell. In order to get a real shell, we just need to put again that beautiful legendary command python c import pty, copy and paste. And okay, so there is no python available anyway. Let's find, देखते कौन कौन बाइनरी का suid अवेलेबल है. So we got something interesting here. User local bean apache to restart. I've never seen before. Let's see what this binary is. So strings command के थ्रू हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि उसके अंदर क्या है. So apache to restart, not such file. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, strings, I'm gonna copy the whole thing. Okay, let's see what is there. So gmon start, let's service apache to start. Okay, so हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, इस सर्विस जो बाइनरी है और जो डीमन होता है ये, तो इसको अब्यूज कर सकते हैं. कैसे अब्यूज कर सकते हैं, हम लोग इसके अंदर एक पास थ्रू जैसे कि बीन बैश घुसा सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर से जब भी हम लोग अपाचे रिस्टार्ट करेंगे तो ये सर्विस अपाचे टू स्टार्ट चालू कर देगा, और उसके चलते ये सर्विस भी एग्जीक्यूट होगा, और सर्विस के अंदर एक बीन बैश होगा, वो भी एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा. सो इट्स इजी if you know how privilege escalation works. Anyway, I go to tmp, so pwd tmp, anyway lsla. So nothing is here, so we're gonna create echo bin bash service. Okay, so I think it has been created. Now हम लोगों को क्या करना है, इसको एग्जीक्यूटेबल बनाना है. so chmod x service एग्जीक्यूटेबल बन गया. अब ये क्या करना है, हम लोग टेम्पररी फोल्डर के अंदर है, तो हम लोगों को ये पाथ सेट करना है इसके अंदर. सो एक्सपोर्ट path is equal to tmp the path has been set. Now we just need to Apache 2. Let's see what happens. I think we got a shell. Let's see. Yep, we got a root shell. Anyway, for getting actual root shell, go to Python, copy it, paste it. Okay, Python is not being found, so I think Python 3 will be there. Anyway, let's try. Copy and paste it. What is happening, guys? What is happening? I cannot find a Python shell, but it's a root shell. Anyway, let's do it here again. Copy, paste, and for some reason I cannot get a root shell. Anyway, there are other options like this. Let's see, Perl available or not. Copy, paste. So no, nothing is available. Anyway, we're just gonna go with this is a bin bash, right? So bash is not a, so I think for some reason Python is not being available, so no problem, we can do without it. So lsla, now cd root, and we got the flag proof.txt, so you can do cat proof.txt. So you got the flag. So this is how you do you solve typo 1 CTF, and thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you. And stay safe. Bye.